Ever wondered why some people seem to quietly get rich, while most of us struggle month after month? It's not luck, it's not inheritance, and it's not even about working harder. The truth is, wealth isn't about flashy moves or big risks. It's about hidden habits, the small, consistent actions that quietly compound into massive financial freedom over time. Today, we're going to uncover these habits that the quietly wealthy practice every single day. Habit number 1, save first, spend later. The first secret habit is deceptively simple. Save first, spend later. Most people think, I'll save what's left after spending. The rich do the opposite. They pay themselves first. Even if it's just 10% of your income, putting money aside before anything else creates a powerful habit. Over time, these small amounts grow silently, and before you know it, you have a safety net, investments, and opportunities others can't touch. The key here isn't the amount, it's consistency. Small, regular savings, done without thinking, lead to extraordinary results. Habit number 2, learn constantly. Wealthy people understand that knowledge is one of the most powerful forms of currency. They read books, listen to podcasts, seek mentors, and continually expand their skills. Learning allows them to spot opportunities before others see them, make smarter decisions, and adapt to changes faster. Think about it. Every dollar you earn is influenced by what you know. The more you learn, the more your money and your mindset grows. Habit number 3, invest wisely. The third habit is investing wisely. Rich people understand that money sitting idle loses value over time due to inflation. Instead, they make their money work for them. Whether it's stocks, real estate, or other assets, their investments grow quietly in the background. And the magic of compounding. That's where ordinary wealth becomes extraordinary. Even starting small can make a massive difference. What separates the quietly rich from everyone else isn't luck. It's taking action early and staying consistent. Habit number 4, track every expense. The fourth habit is simple but often ignored, tracking every expense. Wealthy people know exactly where their money goes. Why? Because awareness eliminates waste. Every unnecessary coffee, every impulse purchase adds up. By tracking spending, they control it instead of letting it control them. This habit may sound mundane, but over months and years, it prevents leaks in your finances and ensures more money is available for what truly matters: investments and growth. Habit number 5, practice strategic patience. The quietly wealthy understand the power of delayed gratification. They resist the temptation of instant pleasures, knowing that real wealth comes slowly but surely. They don't chase trends or overnight success. Instead, they focus on sustainable growth. Think of it like planting a tree. You water it daily, give it sunlight, and years later it bears fruit. The same principle applies to wealth. It grows quietly when nurtured with patience and consistency. If you found these habits useful, hit subscribe and turn on notifications. Start applying them today and watch your financial life transform quietly but powerfully.